I'm Alex Johnson. I'm an assistant professor of biochemistry at Brandeis, and I'm teaching a class right now that uses electron microscopy to determine the structures of proteins. Fundamentally, we're trying to look at things that we can't see with our naked eye using advanced cellular imaging or electron microscopy. We have both undergraduate students, master's students, and PhD students all working together to try to understand the different concepts. And of course, they come in with very different levels of understanding.
Working with master's and PhD students is amazing. They're doing things in lab that I'm not doing. Their presentation skills and a lot of different experimental techniques, like the really deep and intellectual questions that they come up with, is great for me because I do want to pursue a PhD. And I think getting to work with people who are currently experiencing that is so helpful to be able to pick their brains.
I do a lot of mentorship with undergrads in the lab, and this class has really highlighted the caliber of undergraduate students that are at Brandeis. They are just incredibly motivated and hardworking.
We have this Tundra electron microscope, and what it does is it shoots electrons at a sample. All students from the class are basically putting whatever specimen they're most interested in effectively into the microscope to image it, ultimately convert these two-dimensional images into three-dimensional representations.
I am studying a protein that resembles a protein that is involved in Parkinson's disease in humans. And so being able to study it in a different form of it in bacteria allows us to understand more about it in humans.
This is the seeing the unseen. The things that you see as a goop in a tube is something that we can now see what it looks like at the atomic level, but not with our own eyes.
This sort of class is what Brandeis builds itself on. Professors have more freedom in designing their courses, and getting to have hands-on experience is definitely something I'll put on my resume.
Visualize the proteins. I think that's something that you can't do without state-of-the-art technology. And I think also being a school that emphasizes research and gets undergraduates in research labs is such a huge part of what makes Brandeis Brandeis.